Day 30. I'm in an area where there are horses on either side of me. You can see them there. Oh, lots of horses actually. And there's some on the other side. We can't really see them now. Maybe I'll be able to see them in a bit, but when, last few weeks that I've been walking, I've seen a lot of horses, but I haven't heard a lot of them. Oh, there, we'll be able to see them. But today, maybe we won't. No, I think they're in the other field. Yeah, so we can see these ones here. And, oh my God, I guess it's a horse farm. Take a look. Lots of horses there. I hope you can see that. Lots, and they are having fun. That's probably why they were talking to one another. Anyways, my friend Chantal would love this. Yes, beautiful horses. I think they're for sale. I'm not sure because I saw a sign up there a while ago. Here, this is where I am too. 70.866 kilometers away from Santiago de Compostela. As I continue with my walk, the rain it's still raining, but it has slowed down somewhat. And yeah, well, the wind's picking up too. Anyways, I'm going to focus on my walk later. Bye.